heading to Heathrow Airport to fly to Bangkok. Getting ready to board our plane. So this is the third time they've reset the system, and I think on this 12-hour flight the only thing that I could watch would be the maps. The best entertainment ever. Finally reached Bangkok Airport, so let's go and find our hotel. Just got up from bed and showered. Right now I'm heading downtown Bangkok to find something to eat. I'm super hungry. Right now I'm in a restaurant called Mamma Mia. So it's a street food kind of restaurant. They even call it a restaurant. But yeah, so apparently it's one of the oldest restaurants according to the menu over here, which I know it's the oldest restaurant, but let's hope it tastes amazing. Got my coconut. Guess how much this is? £1. Look. So much better than the ones you find in Sainsbury's. Look at the amount of things that we ordered. First one we've got is a grilled fish. And this is the standard size grilled fish. Look at how amazing it is. This is I think some lemon spicy sauce over here. And then the next one we've got the amazing papaya salad. So, and also I've even ordered this steamed squid with lemon sauce, which is something that I enjoy eating over here in Thailand. Then got this, of course, tom yum soup over here. Seafood tom yum soup. Look at how much seafood is that in the soup. So I can't wait just to tuck in and start eating. Oh, I'm gonna order some sticky rice to go with this. Let's try the tom yum soup first. Wish it could be a bit more spicier, a bit more sour as well, but still pretty flavorful. And let's try the squid. Oh my god, this is quite spicy actually. It's sour, garlicky, gingery a little, and gosh, this is quite spicy. Even for me, this is quite spicy. Got the fish over here. It's a fish with some sauce. This is good. And the last one we've got is the papaya salad. Sweet, bit tangy, got a nice fish sauce taste to it, and oh my god, it's spicy and love it. So wherever I go, I will always look for KFC. So look, in that KFC they've got like a Thai flavored one, and they even have natas. This is something that I really like when I visit Asia, especially in China, and I didn't know that they have it in Thailand as well. I got my natas, here you go. Oh, it's amazing because you see, and yum. This is the Patpom night market, which is quite cool. You can like find really good deals here if you're a haggler. So when you're hungry at night like me, one thing good about Bangkok is that you still have food waiting for you. And right now it's already 12 o'clock. So let's go grab something to eat. So right now, I'm teaching you how to make one of the dishes that I've just tried, which is Som Tam. So instead of using Thai papayas, I'm using some mangoes. So we're making a Malaysian style kind of Som Tam. We call it kerabu mangga. Now why use mango, you might be asking, is only because mango is a lot more easier to source here in the UK as compared to papaya. So what I have over here with me is some cherry tomatoes, and then we've got some coriander, lime, using 2 mangoes, carrots, green beans, sweet chili paste, sugar, fish sauce, bit of salt, peanuts, and dried shrimp. Now this is optional. First thing you want to do is to chop up all the ingredients. This dish is so simple to make. What we're gonna do is start off with the green beans because they are the easiest one. So all I'm gonna do is line them up nicely and start chopping them up. So there we go. You want them to be about 1 inch or 2, just nice, and just dump it into our bowl over here, our mixing bowl, because later on you're gonna mix them all. Then the next one, let's do some tomatoes now. So we're gonna slice it into half. So I'm using about 8 tomatoes here. Let's move on to the next one, which is carrots. Now carrots is quite simple. You just grate them. I usually cut off the end of the carrot because I don't like them. Throwing in the mixing bowl again. Next thing to do is to get some fresh mango. Now you want to skin it off first. Get some coriander, roughly chop them up. Throw that in. Throw in some, well, if you're vegan, just skip this. Dried shrimp. My favorite, which is peanut. Add a bit of it in there. Slice your lime in half. Let me get this to mix. Or kerabu mangga. Add half a lime to it. Add in some salt. Now I'm just adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's only because we'll be adding some fish sauce. Now if you're vegan, switch this to some soy sauce. About 1 full tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and next one is to add in some sweet chili paste. 3 tablespoons. So because we're adding in our pure sweet chili paste, you don't need to really add any more chilies in them. Just mix them up. So there we go. Yum. Oh my god. Smells like those you get from the streets in Thailand. Let's try some. Yum. So good. Get the crunch from peanuts and so fresh and fragrant. Delicious. Try this out because it's really simple to make. So that's my recipe for this week. So please like and subscribe. If you're making this, please share it with me. And if yours tastes even better than what I'm making over here, please tell me what's your secret. So till next week, see you later.